How to fix Instagram next story freezing problem. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix the next story freezing problem on Instagram. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Instagram app and then click your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner and then it's going to bring you to the settings and activity window. Now scroll through this window and find the option help. And once you find the option help, simply click this option. And then you have to click report a problem. And then you have to click this option report problem without shaking. And then you have to click don't include and continue. Now briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. And here you have to describe your issue. I'm going to type what you have to type. You can simply copy the text I'm typing. Now you have to type, please fix next story freezing problem of my account. It's not working. Thank you. And once you type this, you have to click the send on the top right corner. And now Instagram is going to contact you in 24 to 48 hours. And then the support team is going to help you resolve your problem. And that's how you fix the problem of next story freezing on Instagram.